Sony A1II is out. Everything from the announcement seems it was all about AI and raises the question, Sony took 4 years for these? Or is there another story to be seen? 50 megapixel and 30 FPS already exists on the A1, so AI is the new trend. We found the lens more interesting than the camera, or is it? The Nikon Z9 and Sony A1 Mark II are two powerful contenders in the professional mirrorless camera market, designed to cater to advanced photographers and videographers. This comparison evaluates their strengths, weaknesses, and overall appeal across various performance categories to determine which might be better suited for different creative needs. The Nikon Z9 features a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality, detail, and dynamic range. Its resolution is tailored for high-end sports and wildlife photographers, where detail is critical for capturing fast-moving subjects. On the other hand, Sony's A1 Mark II retains the same 50.1 megapixel resolution as its predecessor, offering a slight edge in image detail and catering to users demanding ultra-high resolution photography. Both cameras emphasize speed without compromising quality. The Z9 supports 30 FPS for JPEG and 20 FPS for RAW, making it a robust option for action photography. Meanwhile, the A1 Mark II can capture pre-buffered images at up to 30 FPS in RAW, ensuring you never miss the decisive moment. This feature, combined with Sony's Speed Boost function, enhances its capability for burst shooting in fast-paced scenarios. Sony has raised the bar with the A1 Mark II's advanced autofocus. It features a dedicated AI processor with human pose estimation, which significantly enhances subject recognition and tracking even in complex scenarios. The 759 AF points cover 92% of the frame, ensuring precise focusing across a wide area. With the ability to perform 120 AF calculations per second, Sony's AF system excels in challenging conditions, such as in low light condition. The Nikon Z9 also delivers excellent AF performance with its advanced tracking algorithms and reliable subject detection. However, it lacks some of the AI-driven refinements found in the A1 Mark II, especially in recognizing human body poses. For photographers prioritizing cutting-edge AF technology and superior subject detection, Sony's offering might hold an advantage. In the realm of video, both cameras are formidable, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Nikon Z9 is designed with professional videographers in mind, offering 8K 30p recording and 4K 60p oversampled from 8K for superior quality. It also supports 8K 60p in 12-bit N-RAW, ProRes RAW, and 10-bit internal recording with N-Log and HLG profiles, providing significant flexibility in post-production. The A1 Mark II matches the Z9 in its 8K 30p capabilities, but adds additional functionality like auto-framing and framing stabilizer modes borrowed from Sony's ZV-E1 camera. These features enhance dynamic and stabilized shots for solo creators or locked-off video scenarios. While both cameras are excellent for cinematic applications, Nikon's robust codec options and focus on RAW output make it a strong choice for professionals requiring maximum flexibility in high-end production workflows. The Z9 is built like a tank, with a full-size body that integrates a vertical grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions and comfortable handling. Its 2.1mm dot rear LCD features a multi-directional tilt, providing versatility for low and high angle compositions. Nikon's elimination of the mechanical shutter in favor of an electronic shutter enhances reliability and longevity, reducing potential mechanical failures. In comparison, the Alpha 1 Mark II features a smaller, more portable design, appealing to photographers who prioritize mobility. It retains the 0.9x magnification, 9.44 million OLED viewfinder from its predecessor, offering a sharp and immersive viewing experience with a refresh rate of up to 240 FPS. The inclusion of two eyepiece cups caters to different user preferences. Both cameras offer state-of-the-art stabilization systems. The Z9 features robust image stabilization, crucial for handheld shooting and compensating for camera shake during long telephoto captures. However, Sony's Alpha 1 Mark II takes stabilization to the next level with an 8.5 EV rated-in body system, an improvement over its predecessor. When paired with OSS lenses, it provides unparalleled stability, particularly beneficial for videography and low-light photography. The Alpha 1 Mark II's 4 EV low-light focusing capability gives it a slight edge over the Z9 for photographers working in dim conditions. However, the Z9's high ISO performance and noise handling remain impressive, making it a strong contender in challenging lighting scenarios. Sony has equipped the Alpha 1 Mark II with industry-leading connectivity options, including a 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port and faster FTP capabilities, streamlining file transfers for professional workflows. These features make it an attractive choice for photojournalists and sports photographers who rely on rapid image delivery. The Nikon Z9 also supports efficient workflows with dual CFX Press Type B card slots, ensuring fast write speeds and ample storage capacity for high-resolution files. However, it doesn't match Sony's advanced networking features, making the Alpha 1 Mark II a better choice for professionals requiring seamless connectivity. The Nikon Z9 is priced at $55,000. Offering excellent value considering its high-resolution sensor, advanced video features, and rugged build. It caters to professionals seeking a reliable, versatile tool that performs exceptionally in both photography and videography. The Sony Alpha 1 Mark II, priced at $6,500, justifies its higher cost with cutting-edge AI-driven autofocus, advanced stabilization, and superior connectivity. Its features are tailored for professionals who demand the latest innovations in imaging technology and workflow efficiency. In conclusion, both the Nikon Z9 and Sony Alpha 1 Mark II stand out as extraordinary examples of what modern mirrorless cameras can achieve. The Nikon Z9 is a robust, dependable workhorse with an emphasis on durability, exceptional image quality, and advanced video capabilities. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 1 Mark II pushes innovation further with cutting-edge features like AI-driven autofocus, industry-leading stabilization, and exceptional connectivity options. It's tailored for photographers and videographers who prioritize precision, low-light performance, and efficient workflows, especially in fast-paced or dynamic shooting scenarios. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs. Both cameras are masterpieces of engineering and deliver stellar performance, ensuring they can handle even the most demanding creative challenges.